Hey guys, welcome back to the Mazda Cosmo 110s series. Now if you lay your eyes down in this direction here, you can actually see a painted Mazda Cosmo 110s. Now it's the 5th of January. We've got like 2 days. We've got today and then Monday, Tuesday until we need to be going down to Autosport International. Now we're trying to get this ready for Autosport International and it's painted, it's on its running gear. But if you follow us on Instagram and Facebook, you will see the progress of this car before you see it on YouTube, because the people of Instagram and Facebook have already seen this. So give us a follow on Instagram and Facebook. There's loads of reels on there showing the progress of the Mazda Cosmo, but obviously these YouTube ones are more in depth. So in this video, we're going to continue on the sill because we've not even put it on a rotisserie yet. So I'm like well ahead on the footage, but behind on the videos. So we're going to finish the sill and do some other stuff which I've kind of forgot what we've done because it was so long ago. And yeah, we're going to sort some rust out, but just know the Cosmo is painted and we're literally full ham on this car trying to get it back together for Autosport International. Make sure you do check us out. Go onto Autosport's International website, get some tickets, and yeah, hopefully we'll see you at the show. Why am I out of breath? Cool, yeah, enjoying the video. Like and subscribe, it's free. I've not filmed much of it, but underneath there, I've kind of repaired all of that situation. Now, there was rust and holes underneath this bracket, which is for the mounting point for the running gear, and it was rotten. But the camera angles were so bad that I just thought I'll time-lapse some of it, and then I just ended up going full ham on it. Anyway, that's done, and I'm glad about that because that was an absolute pain. Inside here is done, this is done, all that's done, the battery tray is done, bada bing, bada boom. So now I'm going to start working on this section here. Now I've just welded this small little panel in here, which is a continuation of the floor. And now I can start on this inner section, which comes all the way down to here. Once I've done that, I can then cut this off and do this and then continue on the inner sill. Right, there we have it. So that's this section all on, all nicely welded in. You may notice that it's actually got a bit of a lip here, and that's because this section needs to now go over the top. Now this is a continuation of this, which runs all the way into here, but this actually is a continuation of this. So this comes down and it goes over this point here, so it comes down there and it gets welded to here. So this kind of needs one of these over the top, which I did also on the other episode for the other side, and then this comes up probably from here and it starts coming up onto this section here, and this also forms this section down here. So yeah, I need to pop that on. I need to change the bend on this, make it a bit shallower, because obviously it's now, that distance is slightly smaller. And then I can get this welded on and then start making this outer section and then this section here. So if you look from here, you can actually see the lines of the floor and the sill are just about perfect, which is awesome. So it's always good to make sure that all the lines are good before you weld something in, because I don't want the sill rising up or down, because it'll look odd from the side view. So anyway, like I say, I'll get this done, get it welded on, and then continue this side. Look at this nice majestic panel that I've made. Now I do need to still drill some holes down here and across there. Then I can offer that up, I can get it primed in there, offer that up, bada bing, bada boom. But first, before I do that, I need to actually weld the panel this inside the car that for some reason has been taken out. But anyway, that's all I've got time for in this video. We've done major progress in this video. We've got all of this structure done, we've got this section done, we've got the battery tray done underneath the car. Yeah, there's a lot going on in this episode. But do catch us in the next episode where we're going to get this stitched on, we're going to attend to that inside section, we're going to get all of this finished off, and we're probably going to do something else on this car. Yeah, there's holes everywhere, so we've still got a lot of work to do. Make sure you get us on Instagram, TikTok and Facebook. Leave a comment down below. Do hit that subscribe and like button, and we'll catch you in the next episode.